Coca-Cola, the real magic. Well, Coca-Cola is a brand that needs no introduction. एक ऐसा ब्रांड जिसे दुनिया भर में हर इंसान बहुत ही अच्छी तरीके से जानता है. According to the stats, 95% of the time when we are consuming any soft drink, it belongs to the Coca-Cola company. Don't you think how dominating is that? So, there was a time when Coca-Cola ruled the global beverage market for decades. Surprisingly, let me tell you one thing. The Coca-Cola that you and me know was totally different from what it was when it was founded. Confused? Let me share two interesting facts with you.
I like to teach the world to sing. Sing with me. Perfect harmony. Perfect harmony. I like to buy the world Coke and keep it company.
Fact number one. Coca-Cola. ये जो टर्म है, ये एक्चुअली दो टर्म्स को मिलाकर बना है. ये कोई दो रैंडम टर्म्स नहीं है, बल्कि कोका कोला में यूज होने वाले दो इंग्रेडिएंट्स के नाम हैं. कोका यानी कि लीव्स एंड कोला दैट मींस नट्स. फैक्ट नंबर टू. नाउ कम्स द इंटरेस्टिंग पार्ट. द रीजन व्हाई आई सेड दैट कोका कोला इज नॉट व्हाट इट वांटेड टू बी because Coca-Cola was originally started as a patent medicine by John Stith Pemberton and was sold as a medicinal beverage. It was first sold at Jacob's Pharmacy in Atlanta, Georgia in 1886. During its initial years, Coca-Cola was claimed to be the cure of many diseases, including morphine, addiction, headaches, etc. But in the year 1889, after Pemberton's death, an American businessman with an intent to market it and sell it as a beverage to regular customers purchased the Coca-Cola formula and brand from Pemberton's heirs. After 3 years, in 1892, the Coca-Cola company was formed in Atlanta by Sander and it started huge. Within just the next 3 years, Coca-Cola became so popular that it was being sold in every state in the US. This was the time when Coca-Cola launched its first ad campaign. Coca-Cola delicious, refreshing, exhilarating, invigorating. Today, it has been more than 130 years of Coca-Cola's journey. This journey can be divided into 10 business decisions which transformed Coca-Cola completely. Coca-Cola's earliest leaders believed that their product should be affordable and available everywhere. Because of this, the price of the Coke was limited to 5 cents or 1 nickel. This low price continued for almost 70 years, even during the two world wars and the Great Depression. During World War II, Coca-Cola president Robert Woodruff believed that every American serviceman and woman should have a Coke at their disposal for just 5 cents, no matter where they were or the cost to the company. The Coca-Cola bottles were distributed to the US troops abroad, which created a brand royalty in their hearts and minds of troops and their families for regenerations. In 1960, Coca-Cola purchased the Minute Maid Corporation. It also introduced Sprite, the company's first lemon drink, Tab, its first diet drink, and Fresca, a sugar-free citrus drink. Since then, Coca-Cola has offered more than 3,800 drinks across categories. With the increasing demand for new and exciting beverage choices, the Coca-Cola company is tapping into growing trends worldwide by taking ownership positions in fast-growing beverage brands. In 2007, Coca-Cola North America launched its venturing and emerging brands to seek out and identify the next generation of billion-dollar brands. So what do you think? आपको कोका-कोला की कौन सी स्ट्रैटेजी सबसे ज्यादा पसंद आई? हमें कमेंट सेक्शन में जरूर लिख के बताएं. अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो तो हमारे लाइक ऑप्शन पे क्लिक जरूर करें. अगर आप ये वीडियो पहली बार देख रहे हैं तो प्लीज हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब जरूर करें. तब तक के लिए बने रहिए हमारे चैनल लर्निंग रूट्स ऑफिशियल पे. We'll be back with another set of interesting videos. Thank you so much.